Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today we are going to unbox this Nova 60 Type-C to HDMI hub. Yes, it's a very useful gadget that everyone should have this. If you want to connect your laptop, MacBook or even tablets to a bigger screen, so we will check out what's inside the box and how to set it up, and I will show you all its features in details. So stay till the end because this hub might be the next upgrade your setup needs. So here's the box of the Nova 60 Type-C to HDMI hub. You can see the packaging looks neat and simple, yet just open it up. So here's the box. Inside we get this Type-C to HDMI hub. Now let's take a closer look. As you can see here guys, then this Nova 60 hubs comes with the Type-C input cable on the side. On the other we have a standard HDMI output port. This hub supports 4K Ultra HD at 60 Hz, which means your video playback and presentations are going to look very smooth and crystal clear. Now let me quickly show you how to use it. It's pretty simple and no drivers needed, no setup. Just plug this Type-C. Secondly, you need a HDMI cable. So here guys, I have connected to my Android phone and to my TV. As you can see here. Now the next step is go to settings on your TV. You can go to settings or otherwise you just go to inputs, select, and here you can see HDMI 3, select, and yeah, you can see my phone is connected to my TV. And guys, one thing remember, if you're facing any issues on your mobile is not connecting, so make sure on your phone your OTG and your developer mode should be on. So this is how this super useful tool is very usable. Now you can watch anything on your TV or your monitor while using your mobiles, laptops, anything. I hope you guys like this video and make sure like and subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel, and thanks for watching.